A Bedouin came to Rasulullah and told him, "Give me from what Allah gave you, not from the wealth of your mother, nor from the wealth of your father." The Sahaba were furious at the man and stepped forward to discipline him for what he said. Rasulullah commanded everyone to leave him. Then, by the hand, Rasulullah took him home, opened his door and said, "Take what you wish and leave what you wish." The man did so, and after he completed, Rasulullah asked him, "Have I honored you?" "Yes, by Allah," said the Bedouin. "Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah." When the Sahaba heard of how the man changed, Rasulullah taught them, "Verily, the example of myself, you, and this Bedouin is that of a man who had his camel run away. The townspeople tried capturing the camel for him by running and shouting after the camel, only driving it further away. The man would shout, 'Leave me and my camel, and I know my camel better.' Then he took some grass in his hand, ruffled it in front of the camel until it came willingly. By Allah, had I left you to this Bedouin, you would have hit him, hurt him. He would have left without Islam and eventually have entered hellfire."